Good morning, all of you. In the last chapter, you learned the states of matter. Mainly three physical states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Those are the three main physical states of matter. And in this chapter, we are learning the chemical nature of matter. We are going to learn the chemical nature of matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Now, this matter is classified into two categories: pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances and mixtures. What are pure substances? Pure substances means that is made up of only one kind of particles, single type of particles. Pure substances. For example, elements. Elements and compounds are pure substances. Now, element, for example, iron, one piece of iron. It contains only iron atoms. Same type of particles, one kind of particles, same kind of particles. We say it is a pure substance. Next, common salt. This is a compound, NaCl. It is a compound. This is a pure substance. It is made up of only same kind of particles: NaCl, 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 NaCl. This is compound. Element, iron, that is made up of same kind of particles, means only iron atoms. Here only NaCl molecules, only NaCl particles. So pure substance means it is made up of same kind of particles. So you can write down what is a pure substance. A pure substance consists of single type of particles. Elements and compounds are pure substance. Element, iron, a sulfur or oxygen or nitrogen, copper, aluminium, gold. These are pure substances. Ornamental gold is not pure substance. It is a mixture. Some copper is also mixed in that gold to make the ornaments. So, matter is divided into two categories: pure substances and mixtures. Pure substance elements and compounds are pure substances. Now, mixtures. Mixtures are classified into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. This is water. This is a pure substance. Nothing is mixed in this. This is a pure substance. Only water molecules are there. This is a compound. Now, I'm going to make a mixture. I'm taking little common salt and I'm putting this in this. See, this is a mixture now. This is a mixture, and you see only one phase in this, means liquid phase, PHASE. This is only one phase, liquid phase. No visible boundaries of separation in this. You cannot see the salt in this. You cannot see the salt in this. Only one phase is this there. There is no visible boundaries of separation for water or for common salt, sodium chloride. No visible boundaries of separation. It is its composition is uniform throughout. Such mixtures are called homogeneous mixtures. Such mixtures are called homogeneous mixtures. A homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which different constituents in it exist in same phase. Different constituents exist in the same phase, and there is no visible boundaries of separation between the constituents. Its composition is uniform throughout. You taste from the top, you taste from the bottom, same taste you will be getting, means its composition is same throughout. So such a mixture is called homogeneous mixture. What is a homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the different constituents, what are the different constituents? Water and common salt. Different constituents exist in the same phase, liquid phase, in the same phase, and are not separated by visible boundaries of separation. You cannot see common salt, water separately, no visible boundaries of separation. It has a uniform composition throughout. It has got a uniform composition throughout. Now, let me tell you another mixture. Another mixture. So, this is carbon. Carbon, I am mixing some sugar inside this, sugar in this. Two substances I mixed. You can see I mixed two substances. You can see the composition is not uniform. Two things I mixed. You can see the visible boundaries of separation. This is a heterogeneous mixture. This is a heterogeneous mixture. Different constituents are there. Of course, the phase is solid only. They exist. It may be in the same phase, means solid phase, but their uniform, they do not have, this mixture does not have uniform composition, and there is visible boundaries of separation. I can make where the sugar is, where that carbon is. I can see where the sugar is. There is visible boundaries of separation. So, in a heterogeneous mixture, visible boundaries of separation is seen. Visible boundaries of separation, you can, visible boundaries of separation is there between the constituent particles, between the constituents. And its composition is not uniform. Its composition, somewhere you see sugar particles, somewhere you see more this carbon particles. So its composition is not uniform. So this is a heterogeneous mixture. Visible boundaries of separation and composition is not uniform throughout. And in this Salt solution composition is uniform throughout, uniform composition, and no visible boundaries of separation. Look at this. This is oil and water. This is oil and water. You can see two layers. Oil is floating on water. See, visible boundary of separation. Visible boundaries of separation. And the composition is not uniform throughout. So this is a heterogeneous mixture. This is a heterogeneous mixture. So mixtures are classified into two: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. In the case of homogeneous mixture, two main things. What are they? Visible boundaries of separation, and the composition is uniform throughout. That is homogeneous mixture. In heterogeneous mixture, visible boundaries of separation and the composition is not uniform throughout. Let's see those things. The chapter is chapter 2. Is the matter around us pure? Is the matter around us pure? So, in the last chapter, we learned the three main physical states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. In this chapter, we shall consider the chemical nature of matter. Now, what is matter? Matter Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter is classified into pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances are again classified into elements and compounds. Mixtures are classified into homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Hetero. Homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixture. Pure substance. You see, pure substance. Mixtures we have seen, I showed you the examples of mixtures. Pure substance. In chemistry, pure means it consists only of single type of particles. Iron is a pure substance, gold is a pure substance, aluminum is a pure substance. Sodium chloride, NaCl, common salt means the salt what I have shown you in the purest form. That is when I buy from the market, not from the kirana store. When I buy from a scientific shop, NaCl means it contains only one type of particle. One type of particles. So a pure substance means It consists of a single type of particles. Single type of particles. Is the air pure? Sometimes doctors say you should take morning walk so that you can breathe pure air. But in chemistry, air is not considered as pure. It's a mixture of different gases: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, rare gases. So in chemistry, oxygen is not a pure substance, it is a mixture. It is a mixture of many things, it is a mixture of many gases. So, air is not a pure substance. Now, we say in common life, we say pure milk. But in chemistry, such a word is not there. Milk is not pure. Milk consists of proteins, carbohydrates, liquid fats, water, water content. So, milk is a mixture. So, here, example for mixture: milk. Milk is a mixture, it's not a pure substance. In chemistry, milk is not a pure substance. Air. Air is a mixture. Air is a homogeneous mixture. Air is a homogeneous mixture of many gases. Salt solution is a homogeneous mixture. A mixture of sand and salt. It's a heterogeneous mixture. Sand and salt. It's a heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture: salt water. Or air. Air, that is a homogeneous mixture. Now, pure substance: elements, for example, iron or sodium chloride, sodium chloride, or water. Water is a pure substance. Now, first we are moving to homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. What is a homogeneous mixture? A homogeneous mixture has uniform composition throughout and they have no visible boundaries of separation. Heterogeneous mixture: it does not have a uniform composition. A mixture is said to be heterogeneous if it does not have a uniform composition and also has visible boundaries of separation between the constituents. So our first question first question is, what is a pure substance? What is a pure substance? A pure substance, a pure substance consists of a single type of particles, a single type of particles. Examples: elements, compounds. Elements: iron, compounds: water. Number two, how are these pure substances classified? How are these pure substance? How are these pure substances classified? How are the pure substances classified? They are classified into elements and compounds. Now, what are the examples of pure substance? Either you can write elements or you can write iron, compounds, or you can write water. Either you can write elements and compounds, this answer is right, or iron, water, this answer is also right. So, pure substances are classified into elements and compounds. How are the mixtures classified? Mixtures are classified into homogeneous mixture, homogeneous mixtures, and heterogeneous, heterogeneous, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. What is a homogeneous mixture? What is a homogeneous mixture? What is a homogeneous mixture? A homogeneous mixture has or a mixture is said to be a mixture is said to be homogeneous if it has uniform composition throughout. Uniform composition throughout and and has no and has no visible boundaries of separation. No visible boundaries of separation. No visible boundaries of separation between the constituent particles. the constituent particles. What is a homogeneous mixture? A mixture is said to be homogeneous if it has uniform composition throughout and has no visible boundaries of separation between the constituent particles. Example: salt water, sugar solution. Now, what is a heterogeneous mixture? What is a heterogeneous mixture? A mixture is said to be heterogeneous. A mixture is said to be heterogeneous if it has visible boundaries of separation, if it has visible boundaries of separation between the constituents, between the constituents. Between the constituent and has no uniform composition. Means at different places, different composition. Example: a mixture of sand and salt. Number two, oil and water. Oil and water. In homogeneous mixture, you will see the same phase. Heterogeneous mixture, you see salt and sand. Same phase, solid phase only. Same phase, solid phase, but they have clear boundaries of separation. In homogeneous mixture, of course, same phase. Heterogeneous mixture, it can be of same phase or maybe of different phase. Suppose you take a mixture of water and sand. So sand particles will be there. Now see different phases. Different phases. One is liquid phase, one is solid phase. In homogeneous mixture, the constants are present in single phase and have no boundaries of separation. In heterogeneous mixture, the constants are either present in different phases or in the same phases but have clear boundaries of separation. Clear boundaries of separation. So, this is sand and water, different phases. Now, this is oil and water, different phases. Sorry, same phase, liquid phase, same phases. This is same phase, oil and water, liquid phase only, liquid phase, sand and water, different phases. Carbon particles and maybe some sand particles. So here again solid phase, same phase, but this is a heterogeneous mixture. So in the case of heterogeneous mixture, maybe same phase, maybe different phase. But in homogeneous mixture, same phase, same phase. So what is a homogeneous mixture? What is a heterogeneous mixture? In homogeneous mixture, different constants are existing in single phase, single phase. In the case of heterogeneous mixture, maybe same phase, maybe different phase. Now, no uniform composition and has visible boundaries of separation. So that's about homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So you can have a question, differentiate between homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So what all characteristics are there for the homogeneous? You can write what all characteristics are there for heterogeneous? You can write. Question, differentiate between differentiate between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. So here homogeneous, heterogeneous. Number one, uniform composition. You can write in sentences uniform composition. That side, no uniform composition. Number two, no visible boundaries of separation. No visible boundaries of separation between the constituents. That's right. Visible boundaries of separation. between the constituents. Number three, same phase, single phase. Single phase or same phase, or that side, single phase or different phases. See, a mixture of sand and common salt is regarded as a heterogeneous mixture. No doubt, these are present in same phase, means solid phase, PHASE, but have clear boundaries of separation. The particles of sand and common salt can be easily seen in the mixture. So these are the differences between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. In your textbook, it is given mix one spatula of copper sulfate. One spatula of copper sulfate. So I have taken some copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is blue crystals. Copper sulfate. So take a beaker and water you take in that, add some copper sulfate into this water and mix it well. So you will be getting a blue solution. You will be getting a blue solution here. This copper sulfate is fully soluble in water. You will be getting a blue solution. This is copper sulfate solution. Is it a homogeneous mixture? Yes, it is a homogeneous mixture. It's uniform, it has uniform composition throughout. It has uniform composition throughout. See, it has got uniform composition and no visible boundaries of separation. And in your textbook, it is also said take a mixture of copper sulfate and common salt. So, a mixture of copper sulfate and common salt. So, here the mixture this is copper sulfate and salt. I'm marking salt with black. So you can say that where is salt, where is copper sulfate. So this is a heterogeneous mixture. This is a hetero heterogeneous mixture. So we have seen what is homogeneous mixture, what is heterogeneous mixture. So once again, matter is classified into pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances are again classified into elements and compounds. Mixtures are classified into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. We have learned what is homogeneous mixture and what is heterogeneous mixture. Thank you.